Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. To be frankly speaking, really I am pleased to see the practice that they have been practiced during 40 days. Actually, you are young generation, you can do whatever you wish, whatever you will. I say will, not I say you can. Will refers certainty and can refers ability. So it is certain that you can reach the goal that is set before you. Only I am to say that our speech, including myself also, our speech should be simple and encouraging. Simple and encouraging. Secondly, we should work hard to reach the goal or the destination of our life. And as far as Jamia is concerned, I would like to say the prospectus of Jamia. The prospectus of Jamia are bright and encouraging. So you have to accept those prospectus that Jamia is giving you, allowing you, or giving whatever you want to say. Only I want to say, really I would like to say that I am proud of you. In 40 days, you achieved too much. It is said there are two views, pessimistic and optimistic. So we should be optimistic. Pessimistic view, जिंदगी मांग कर लाए थे 4 दिन, 2 आरजू में कट गए 2. But optimistic view is that 4 दिन भी बहुत होते हैं यार जीने के लिए. You have 40 days program for your personal development. It is development. I am sorry to say it is not meant. So as far as it is happened that practice makes man perfect. So inshallah, summa inshallah, you will overpower the weaknesses as far as pronunciation is concerned. Baki, I would like to say that go and reach your destination. And as far I always to say to my students that you must have some philosophy in your life. हमें दुनिया से क्या मतलब? हमें दुनिया से क्या मतलब? मदरसा है वतन अपना. हमें दुनिया से क्या मतलब? मदरसा है वतन अपना. मरेंगे हम किताबों पर, वरक होगा कफन अपना. थैंक यू.